Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchikwa Ashiburo, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Sea, among the Nonanki Betemazwa. Onyejogugu ya kwere udo, and I have brought to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, me pente for you to hear what I am saying. Omoneku. My own duty is to send it to them and tell them nothing but the undiluted truth. From my channel here, you will always hear nothing but the undiluted truth. That is the only thing that I have brought. So, what is the program that brought me this very morning? Hit the like button and share this very program across every other platform. Oke nọ n'ụlọ gwara oke nọ n'ama na azụ nọ na ngịga. The mistake that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made is to trust these very individuals, these very criminals. I could remember, in order to put as in law and order, he was shouting on Radio Biafra. Anything Chike Doziem says goes. If I am not around, DOS takes charge of the movement. I am back. He was not saying that he's going to not be around forever. He knew that a time like this will come. Even he prophesied about it by preparing our mind, telling us about how Willie Mandela's wife behaved the time that they arrested Mandela. That Mandela's wife was even supporting the government ideologically, while pretending as if he was sympathetic for his husband's cause. She was betraying the husband. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu prepared our mind. You cannot say that you did not hear. You cannot say that you did not hear it from Chukwana Ahwanya that he preached that on Radio Biafra. But he told you, be it as it may, don't give up. The only mistake that he made, and that is human, even Jesus Christ, which is the Savior of the world, at a time, anger is part of sin. At a time he got angry, he went into the synagogue, destroyed the things that was brought to sell in the synagogue. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was working with these bloody sellouts. Uchechi's own was discovered early. And Uchechi was stopped from cooking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Should it be in Uchechi na-eshiri Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nni kamgbe 2017 till now? Ihe aya na-ekwu okwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was poisoned by unknown person. That unknown person should be Uchechi. But I thank God that time have made it possible for the enemy, the worst enemy, to surface. I thank God. Now, the mistake that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have ever made is to say, if I am not around, anything DOS says goes. Because that thing, these very criminals use it to scam a lot of people. Even when the standing order is there, if you do not see me, burn the zoo. They went to collect money. If you listen to the confession of Ejiofor, you know, I tell you that Ejiofor is not smart. Ejiofor is a lawyer, but not smart. If you hire Ejiofor as a lawyer, you will go to jail. If you listen to his statements, most of the truth, I hear it from Ejiofor. Ask me how. I pay attention to the details he brings out. He makes a bogus mouth because I know him. He doesn't have control over his mouth. One way or the other, Ejiofor is going to expose what they have. I pay very close attention the time that they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The very first thing, if you listen to me, it was me that started countering Ejiofor, telling him to shut up. That time, nobody have ever had problem with him. Do you know why I was countering Ejiofor? Even then, Ejiofor was ideologically from the backyard speaking to PM. I told Ejiofor, shut up. Do you know why? Ejiofor will go to court, and after the court, what he will come out and say, Ezigbo ụmụ Chineke, our leader is in the high spirits, no cause for alarm. Those perpetrating criminality in our land should know that our leader is fine. He did not, he said that no criminality should be perpetrated. Ejiofor is a lawyer. Ejiofor goes to court and tells the court, according to him, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never committed anything inside court. But once he steps out of the court, he tells the general public that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal. And you people do not understand when somebody makes statements. A lawyer for that matter, Ezigbo ụmụ Chineke, no cause for our alarm. Our leader is in the high spirit. He have said that everyone, those committing criminality in our land, should stop. No cause for alarm. Which links Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to those committing criminality. Because if he can order those committing criminality to stop, which means those committing criminality are loyal to him. I don't know if anyone is understanding me. But this is the fact that I have come to spill here. From this morning, we will go to prayer. When we come back, let me preach this along. There is something that they are saying. Somebody wrote to me this very morning, sent to me one of the POS Rapture Easy. They said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the most useless person, the most foolish person in the whole wide world. But we will go to prayer now. I beg you to hit the like button and share. Once we return, we go straight to it and then touch a lot of things that we have not touched before. Let us go, please.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla ya bụ ọka aka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ, ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi. Onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. N'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọ bịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt, bụ otu ọgbọ wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na eji ama mgbe niile. N'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị, anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile, anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị refe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ija mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke, mana onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good morning once again. Welcome back to this very program. Chukwu na-ahụ anyị ekpere na anyị ekpere. So we will be holy and preach on. First, before I preach on this very platform, I would want to send this very message to those who have repented. If you have repented in truth and in spirit, in the spirit of truth and in spirit to undo that which you have done, if you are in Europe, you must be in Finland. There is protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa in August 4th and in August 5th. I want you to be in Finland. With your placard, I was among those who lied against him. Take some shot of your video clips speaking against him. Go to Finland, submit it to the Finnish High Commissioner. People will be available to help you on how you will submit all those propaganda, all those lies. And you say, I was among those who lied against him. This is the evidence of my lies. And everything that I have said in this particular video, it is a lie. It was cooked by some Nigerian government agents given to us to be lying against him on the internet, which jailed him. We did not know that we were being used. We thought that we are following the right people, not knowing that it is lies and propaganda that they tell us until we know. That is the reason why we come. I want this protest that is going to be held on 4th and 5th. Metusela Nwanne Mekisedek, my brother, I would please kindly beg you, with the effort that you are making now, I would kindly beg you to be in Finland. I would kindly beg you. Your dedication to this very Biafra agitation is paramount. If you are with the enemies, I will know that you came for this very struggle for money. But so far you pulled out from those criminals. I then know that you come for this very Biafra, but you were misled. And I want to tell all of you, Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to come out one day. He is going to come out. How he will come out, I don't know. But he is going to come out. How he will come out, I don't know. But that very man, an angel in human form, he's going to come out. Simon Ekpa is going to come out. And those who lied against him will still face him face to face. He came to save the people of Biafra, not to kill them. A very good man. But he was lied against, blackmailed. I have watched the video of our sister Chalugo. She is putting more effort. And I still ask her, those efforts you dedicated in lying against Mazi Simon Ekpa, you need those efforts now to bring the people that made you to lie down. You need those efforts. I watch the DO sheet, that is the SDO sheet, Rapture Media. They are the ones using Rapture Media, right? If I'm not mistaken. Because Okennangwerechukwu used that Rapture Media to carry out his lies. I watch Rapture Media. According to what they sent to me, that media has 20,000 views. 20,000 views. And 20,000 views means that 20,000 people have viewed what lies or propaganda that was sent onto that platform. We need unity. Any place you see your brother's video, share it. Your video needs to cover the videos of those lies and propaganda. Your videos need to cover those lies and propaganda. Share the videos of your brother. And I want to tell all of you, you see all of you that have come out, don't join anybody. Stand in your platform to preach. Anybody speaking for Biafra, promote the person. That is, if you know that the person is speaking in truth and in spirit, promote the person if you want to. But don't join anybody. Don't join anybody. Be independent. Work for the people of Biafra. Like I said before, I am not against any group now. I can never speak against any group. Not after I saw the Sokoto Declaration ordering every group to start something. Now, if your group is not doing anything, let them go and start something. Halakadum, terekedum, elekedum, ateketom, dokubo, kezi ihe a na-akpọ etompolo. Ya dava ka o si ada na Niger Delta mgbe aha. Ya dava. The biggest oil and gas is being taken, I think, somewhere in Imo State, right? Somewhere in Imo State. You know, they use their media to lie to you. They tell you, they channel your mind elsewhere. Whereas in your own backyard is where they are taking the oil. Remind me, this community, Egbema, in Imo State. They are taking their oil, piping it all the way to Sahel. And if you go to former old Imo State, it's not something to write home about. Especially now that Fulani is everywhere in your communities. No peace for the wicked. We must be awake. When we preached before, they have not come. Now they are all in our foot. We must be awake. And if you are telling me that you are fighting for Biafra, I can speak and promote anybody. Just do one thing for me. Begin that thing which makes Musa to cry. The way that I will promote you. Hey, cha-cha. Even you are going to baffle. If you start doing that thing that makes Musa to cry, you yourself go, they say, now this guy, they promote me. Begin that thing that makes Musa to cry. Hey, halala. Even aga m na-agba ọtọ, ịchọ mgbara ọtọ na-aga na road na-epromote gị. Ịchọ ka anyị ara for 10 years, ara for 10 years, o nwere ihe m pasịtara. So far, you begins that thing that makes Musa to cry. That's the only thing that will give us freedom. Go to Sokoto Declaration, it is there. Sokoto Declaration is demanding for you to return that force which they are using to occupy your land. Return it. With that, even more than the maximum force that they are using to subjugate you and suppress you, Sokoto Declaration is telling you to return it. That there is nobody that will get to freedom on a platter of, I am not violence, I am peaceful. For those who comes to kill you are not peaceful. Sokoto Declaration tells you. Sokoto Declaration now is just like a roadmap for us. Anybody that will tell me that he wants Biafra, ask that person, do you have Sokoto Declaration? What does he say? What does he say? I am not against any group. We are preaching unity now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, don't speak against anybody. That speaking against anybody means that you are doing the biddings of the masters. That is the Sokoto Caliphate. Because they want you people to fight dirty. And they want to disgrace you people. They want to disgrace you before the international community. And that is the reason why I cease. I cease my attack and I cease anything. I'm not insulting anybody, but I am begging all of you, go and do that thing that makes Musa to cry. You don't know this very freedom better than those in the international arena. McAnoid said it. If you sit and believe that somebody, because you have a lobby, oh, you go to this place and you go to that place, that they will come and help you. Sokoto Declaration tells you that you will wait till you get tired. It is in Sokoto Declaration. You will wait till you get tired. That what will bring the international community to your doorsteps is returning the maximum force that they use to subjugate and suppress you. If you know how they used to buy your brothers and sisters, just send them back, send it to them back. You will see that it will stop. The international community will then come. Oh, what is happening? Fighting. We could have gotten our freedom under Trump here if what we are doing continues. They will come in. They will come in immediately. They will say, what is happening? Oba, let us settle for them. It is too much. International Peace Committee will be granted, but we are the ones doing ourselves. That is the money, the lobbies that Sokoto have taken to America. Thereby, some ill-fated criminals in America that call themselves white people will be lying to you because they have collected money from Sokoto. How many million? $9 million or thereabout, if I'm not mistaken. How many $1 million was taken to the white people in America? They collect the money. They will, even if you consult most of them, they will even lie to you on the principle of freedom, because they know that the advice that they are going to give you wouldn't yield any fruit. You are not going to use it to get freedom. So they are buying time in order to get Trump out of the seat and have their man enthroned. But I am telling you, are you listening to me? Pay very close attention, please. Even America that you are seeing now will be conquered. Even America that you are seeing now will be conquered. So fight for your own freedom. America you see today will be conquered. Don't doubt me. America will still fight civil war. America, there will be civil war in America. Because Futanjalon will conquer most of them. And due to civil war, they will regain their integrity. But the world power will move away from them. Can somebody record what I'm saying, please? Please listen to me. World power will move away from America. It will move away from America. I don't know who takes it, but it will move away because America will fight themselves, civil war in America. Many things will be destroyed and they will regain their selves, but this very world power will move away from them. You know, when I talk at times on this very platform, you don't take it serious because I'm not pushing on one fake cassock and tell you that I'm Archbishop of Kwantaburi, Archbishop of Akrepapa. Or I'm not telling you that I'm pastor this or that. I have delivered my own message. Please. And to those of you that have sent me Mara prophecy, telling me that Mara prophesied that they have given somebody or paid somebody money to buy Onyendu, please disregard Mara. Disregard Mara. Disregard Mara. I cannot say this again. Disregard Mara. How many billion did he tell you again? $20 billion. How much is the budget of Nigeria? Disregard Mara, please. even mgbe m gere ihe ọ na-akọ ka onye egbuwara isi. Disregard that fake prophecy. I am not telling you people that there are not people that are planning to buy Onyendu. Even up till tomorrow, they are planning, or it doesn't start yesterday, to unalive Onyendu. I have said it time without number for us to pray for Onyendu. So she should not go and be recycling prophecy and then be lying like this thing. Disregard her, please. I am saying this just because of numbers of people that have sent that video. I saw it and I discussed with about, I think, I have forgotten. I discussed with about 3 or more people that are telling me about the prophecy of Maya. Please disregard such nonsense. Disregard such. The enemies wants to unalive Onyendu. It doesn't start from today. I have consistently said it on my platform here. They want to buy Onyendu, but that does not mean that pirated prophecy should be allowed, please. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Now, let me go to the main program that brought me here today. You see, in life, you should be careful. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was more and more careful. He constituted the authorities called DOS from different countries. But the mistake he made was to create WhatsApp group for them. He believed that if you are speaking to betray, that this one will know. He never gave them the mandate to sack anybody, but they themselves went on their own, started sacking people from their group. Those who knows that they are sabo, they will sack the person. It was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that chose the people in DOS and never gave Chike Doziono mandate of sacking anybody. They don't have the power. It have never been that DOS sacked anybody before. Before this particular DOS came, there is nowhere that DOS have sacked anybody. I could remember during our time of trying to change the person that was milking us then, called Abega of Ezinifite. Abega was milking the men on the ground then. He was scamming a whole lot of people, collecting money. And the money that he collected, nothing to show for it. He lies and lies and lies and lies. Any contribution that you make belongs to Abega and his family. They collect it and they think that IPOB or Biafra movement have become their family business. And that continue. The thing that made us to say no to it is that Abega started toiling with the lives of men on the ground. Abega brought a ring. Each time he goes to East, he will go and buy, you know, all those cheap ring, 100 naira. Then he will bring it to Lagos. He will come and tell the dragons that this ring have been fortified. It is a fortified ring. Everybody should buy it. Once the ring is on your hand, if they shoot you, it cannot enter. If they stab you, it cannot enter. Then he will use somebody among him that is loyal. That one will be a witness. No one onye gbara nga last week. We na agafe ebe rodo de. na ọma na rọd dị ebe a mistakenly ọzọ ọkpa na rọd a ya dapụm n'ọkpa ya welie ọkpa thinking that ọkpa ya si nke ana na rọd olekwa anya nnọọ wee ghọọ na onwe ihe mere ya n'ọkpa asị may the ancestors be praised. Ama na ihe mmụ ihe niile aba asị abega. I am telling you something, please. Once I preach this very undiluted truth, please pay attention to what I'm saying. So, sometimes he sells it 5,000, sometimes 10,000, sometimes 3,000, depending on how he needed money then. Times how many people that will buy it. 10,000 times 50 people, 500,000. Mother scam on a whole lot of people. 10,000 times 100 people, 1 million. Mother scam on a whole lot of people. And these people are the people in natural freedom. Then he goes to east and relax. Anytime he needs money, he will then fly, come to Lagos with the ring then keep somebody yana control eba. He turns Biafra struggle to his own private business. And Mekuoku, please pay attention. Know that where I started is that DOS have no power of sacking anybody, no matter whosoever that the person may be. DOS have no power. Then we grew angry, and along the line we consulted enemy. Enemy in turn informed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called up a meeting. In that meeting, Abega never knew that meeting will be the end of his reign. In that meeting, before the meeting, he and his group came and told people, ọ bụrụ na ị gaa this meeting gwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anything that is going on in this group, we will bury you alive. That was the threat. If you reveal what is happening in this very meeting to any authority, and then we wonder, why is he threatening people not to tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu what is happening? What is he afraid of? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Why this threat? That is the threat ndị DOS to those people na-enweghị akwụkwọ n'obodo oyibo. If you support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, we will make sure that we buy you here and deport you. We will make sure that we shoot you. That is the reason why if you look at those people following DOS, most of them enweghị akwụkwọ. It is people na-enweghị akwụkwọ and people that they got paper for, which they can easily go back to where they got paper for them and tell them, lekwe, this person lied. And the paper is a scam. And they can undo the process. So those people are always afraid. They are supporting these criminals, the SDOS, led by Akuna, with maximum alacrity, knowing fully well that if they change, that their paper will be revoked, or thereabout, they may not get paper to those that have not gotten paper. Now, when we went into that meeting, enemy came. General enemy. If you are a man on the ground, if you started this journey, you will know General enemy. He have been to prison and he have come out of the prison. He is one of its kind. But General enemy came and started the prayer. Immediately he started his prayer, it seems that everybody was motivated. Me, I was on a sick leave before resuming. That day that I resumed, I never knew that there is a special meeting. But it was after that I had the threat that came. Though, before I went on a sick leave, Abega have met such, but I never knew that there is arrangement of enemy coming. I never knew that everything have been leaked to Onyendu. I never knew because I was not part of the people who made it possible. You know me, I will say my own. I was not part of the people who made it possible. So the day that I resumed, I came from sick leave. Nobody called me to come. That day was the day that I resumed, and I went to the place, the supposed place, I know a meeting. I met about few people there, about 2 people. And the other one told me that I should enter his bike, let him drive me to the place I know a meeting Ubua. I asked him why. He told me that they have conspired against Abega because that one even ate our money. That one we contributed $1 million plus. That one chopped the money, telling us that he had a problem with our money. Now they get problem. And he used our money to settle it. So only him and Abega knew what happened to that money, that contribution. We contributed money and all of a sudden the money grew leg. The thing that we will use it for, the person that have problem. Look at this, the brain of these very people. The main person that had problem, that was coming to meeting and had a fatal accident that we want to use the money for. We did not use the money again. We have to contribute. Now, let's assume that as they were delaying that money, the person dies in hospital. We have to make another contribution. So the money where we contribute don't grow leg, waka. So now the thief na him carry me for bike. He was telling me that they have conspired against Abega. That na emecha meeting na egbu mmadụ na mmadụ ya ozu mmadụ ya dabi. He was telling me, thinking that I am on their side. He never knew that na okoro aka na tipa bu aja. He was telling me that they have went and brought enemy to come. Enemy to come and do what? In their state. Note that enemy is the general commander. Every man on the ground is under enemy, general enemy. Enemy to come to their state and do what? They don't want to be law abiding, but they want to dish out law to you people. Remember that I am talking about DOS. Pay very close attention. When I preach to you nothing but the undiluted truth, you must pay attention and listen to every details that I'm dishing out. I am going to somewhere. At the end of this very program, I will lead you somewhere. Then we went in to the place. Lo and behold, it was a large people. People that never comes to meeting before came to meeting when they heard that general enemy is coming. So we had a large multitude of crowd that came. People that Otekwena Habia they were meeting. They came that day. But in all of this, nobody told me because I was not doing. Immediately after meeting, I closed my meeting. I know they go person house, go do paddy. No come my house, come do paddy. As a matter of fact, few people know my house. And the people that knew my house knew me from before I joined that very struggle. So few people knew my house. Now, we went in. After the prayer of general enemy, he then introduced the reason why he is there. He introduced the reason why he is there. That these are the complaints about Abega. They ask Abega questions. They ask Abega questions. and the money, including fake ring Goresiri people. I forgot to tell you what motivated that thing, people to be mad, is that two or three people, they were on their way back because they bought a ring from Abega. In Satellite Town, there is armed robbery. Armed robbery there. Satellite Town, Lagos. You know, along the hold up, they used to rob. Robbers used to rob. And people were running helter-skelter. Those boys who bought the ring from Abega came out to confront the thieves, believing that and immediately one of them was gunned down. Luckily, he did not die, so he was rushed to hospital. And we contributed money to make sure that he is okay. So that thing warranted and prompted the reason. If these rings are being sold at the expense of the lives of the people, now there is normal prayer that we goes to. But he has made people to believe that without going to prayer, this ring can do and sustain you. So those people do not like to go to prayer again. They want to buy ring from Abega, then wear it, and then being gunned down. The ring have nothing in it. So after which they were gunned down, we subjected the rings to test. Me, I'm not a fan of wearing ring. I don't buy anything. If you go, they know. I know they buy anything. Even then, they never knew, say, me, they do my own little odieshi for myself. Odieshi for myself. But, let me concentrate. Ajocha Abega Ojo. Then, enemy said, I contact Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu addressed everything, then asked him questions. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was angry at him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows you. Go when you feel in a fair way, he knows you. All decide they manage manage. He told him to his face that he was managing him. But as the people have revolted, that it is the people that will say who will lead them. Now, he said, general enemy, people are there, right? Tell people to subject those who will lead them immediately. They began nominee. Immediately. Most of his group nominated him again to run. They said, okay, no problem. Then, some people nominated Odogwu Dragon, Kingsley Anyebunam. We said, no problem. Election came. Those who support Abega, raise your hand. Onweghị aka ahụrụ n'elu. Ndị vanna support yourself, eru mkpụrụ mmadụ 10. In the multitude of crowd that came that very day was much. People supporting Kingsley Anyebunam raised hand everywhere, all hands up. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, the voice of the people is the voice. The people knows who will lead them, not me. I'm very far away. Now, let me link this thing, this long assertion that I use. The DOS were constituted. They told you that they are the ones taking care of men on the ground that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not know. How many things have I mentioned even in Idozioku? I have never mentioned the DOS. It is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because the DOS were constituted not to take care, not to take charge of the men on the ground. They don't take charge of the men on the ground. That is the reason why they have high command, which is Benjamin Mmadụbụgwu. General enemy. General enemy reports to Benjamin Mmadụbụgwu. But in recent time, I saw laughable lies. They said that Benjamin Mmadụbụgwu is a nobody, that the DOS have constituted the Eastern Security Network without the help of anybody. Nchivochi. If it is they prepared very well. They know what they are doing. If it is what are they calling them? If it is the dead man squad that they are assuming as Eastern Security Network, they should go on and talk their rubbish. The dead man squad was not constituted and recognized by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They created that. As at the time, you have heard me, I spoke against it often and on. Even I probed them. But they told me that, they wanted to hand over to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you followed me at ab initio, there was a program which I held on Facebook probing these very people. And somebody came in from the side of the DOS, letting me to know that that thing they wanted to hand over to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. He begged me that we should have out of online discussion. In an out of online discussion that we had, he opened up to me that he was the one who supplied arms to Dead Man Squad. I never knew if it was Chena Sanwo-Olu that was speaking to me in prosy then. He begged me that they did not do it without the awareness of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that they wanted to help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, if you know what you can do to help this very struggle, do it. That it was their own contribution to hand it over to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before his kidnap. And I let him to know, are you aware that the same Dead Man Squad killed the Eastern Security Network? He said it was a lie from pit of hell, that anybody that was telling me that lied to me. Then they did not know that I was men on the ground. You know, at the beginning when I was holding program, due to I was in Nigeria, I never exposed myself as one of them. Even they did not even know that I was the General State Secretary. I was the State Secretary of the Dragon, the most respected Dragon Squad. I was the Secretary of the Dragon. Why I said the most respected of the Dragon is that they know what dragons can do. Dragons get men those days. And those men, I am happy to say, they were loyal to me. They were loyal to me then. And that was the reason why I was able to tell them the truth and nothing but the undiluted truth. And they listened. Those men were gathered from, even some of them were leaders of different courts. But they come down from high horses. Some of them I could remember the Lagos State, I shouldn't call his name, please. I shouldn't mention. He was the leader of a cult group, general in Lagos. He came to me. He never told me that he was leader. Now look at what happened. He told me that he have listened to me, he have followed me on social media, that he have come to them that he will listen and abide in whatever I say. Now, when I knew that the guy following me is one of the big guy, me and him go Ikoto, on heading to Ikoto, na him follow me na me be oga, where him follow. But on getting to Ikoto, hey, Tanelei, and they push him out. Tanelei, Crombe! And they push him. He was telling them, na my oga. They were like, Baba. They were speaking the things that I do not understand. After then, mara na onye mo na eso, na onye abogagwo. But I never knew that he was the Lagos State General. Please pay attention, because Dragon get men then. My time is finishing here. I think I will. Okay, I have rebooted the time. So, one of the girl that felt ill then, she was the person that left the office which I was handling then. So I took her in with her younger sister. They stayed under my care. I never knew that that one again was the leader of what are they calling it? Umunwani cult in Lagos as in general. Very, very poor. Amamuka cult group. I don't know the reason why you people join cult anyway. I don't know the reason why you people join cult, because if even then she can't take care of herself, but she had a lot of people answering her, mama, 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 mama. I took her in. It was under me that during the discussion that she told me everything. That one loyal to me is the Oga Pata Pata. That is the reason why the day I told her what happened the day we went to Ikoto. He said, that she doesn't want to speak much. And to tell you that Lagos Dragon Squad had men then. We had men, both on the ground and off the ground. We had men. Now, please pay attention. In all of this, I never mentioned the DOS. The preaching here is the DOS. They were not constituted to handle any sacking, but they sacked the people. That is the reason why one of them went on their platform. The same platform that they grew up called IPOB Rapture Media. And they grew that platform up. Use the same platform to castigate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Use the same platform to say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the most foolish. Do you know what they say? Most foolish person in this very struggle. Very, very pathetic. Very, very pathetic. That he is the most foolish person in this very struggle. Do you know why? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu allowed them. He allowed them to excel. He allowed them to create some WhatsApp group. He gave some sort of normal. Obru no mwa na handle that group. There is something that I did. Did you know when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu announced that there is no cult group in IPOB, and we are not under any cult group. Anybody doing cult should get out. I will tell you. Then I never knew that when we finished state meeting, some people that I see that draw seat to themselves then, we are holding their own cult meeting. I never knew. Until that was brought to my attention, which I passed the signal to the necessary, to the appropriate quarter, that I know that it will get to the appropriate quarter. I passed the signal. Too many cult activities we are going on. The reason why that these very people, we are able to hijack this very struggle, let me tell you. They have, if you come into a group and you have your cult group member, you identify with the person, The person will look for another of their cult group, they identify. Like that, they will begin initiate you. After the meeting, they will initiate. They will initiate you. And in that group, you have become the group of these very people. They will look for the leadership, the head. And that was the reason why they gave birth premature. What they did, or what they planned to do against Onyendu, was a premature child. Because Onyendu still remained the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. They wanted to remove him. They said, call it coup d'etat, call it Genenwa, that they have. Onyendu will cease to be their leader. And Uchechi recognized that. Uchechi snapped picture with them, even attended that day. Onye ma mmadụ na-egbu ya. Onye ma mmadụ na-egbu ya. I want to let you know, just like I have reassured you people. If you remember in the time past when I started preaching against Uchechi, there are people who tells me that, what if Onyendu comes out and marry Uchechi, what will I do? Will I stand and look at Onyendu in his face, knowing fully well that I have destroyed the wife and I used to give them my word? Onyendu will never go back to Egypt. It is a no-go area. Even Onyendu understand. For Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stop Uchechi from cooking for him for the past since 2017 till now is 9 years. It speaks volume. Have you seen public video of Uchechi visiting court when Onyendu is brought to court? You cannot see. Even when she is in Abuja, she did not visit her husband. But if they sack anybody immediately, when they sacked the entire DOS and announced it was Uchechi who ran to the former Radio Biafra and was ranting, oh, how can they sack them? They are not being sacked. I met with Onyendu. Onyendu told me, even when Onyendu saw me, Onyendu was asking me, where is China Sanworu, Agune Chamber? That China Sanworu is 3 in 1. He is the Agune Chamber. That Onyendu praised China Sanworu. Fast forward to this day, China Sanworu said that everything that Onyendu have wanted is to buy him, which means Uchechi was lying. When I preach this very holy gospel, you have to get it down. Write what I say down. I am preaching so you know that I am telling you the truth. I'm not preaching to entice you. I'm not preaching to get you happy or to make you happy, no. I'm preaching so that you know that the truth remains truth. It doesn't matter whichever way, shape, or form. But the truth must remain truth and consistently disseminate truth on this very platform, please. Are you getting me? Please hit the like button and share this very program amicably. And also share this very program and also distribute it to your different WhatsApp. We will come out triumphant. To every group fighting for Biafra, time have come to move to the ground. If you believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in truth and in spirit, not in lies, time has come to move on the ground. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if he can be in Sokoto prison and adopt Sokoto declaration, it means that you too can do what he have ordered. We have not come in this very Biafra agitation to make money or to... That is the reason why I'm the oldest. I think I am one of the oldest freedom fighter. And I am among the poorest. When you hear poorest, church rat. If I do not beg, sometimes I know the chop. Church rat. When you hear poor no be small poor. Poor na poverty. Poverty thing. poverty. Sometimes if I do not beg, I no fit chop. And you must understand, we preach nothing but the undiluted. Isiokwu nke Chineke na-akụ mmiri. Undiluted truth. I am Nwashibrobi. And I think we got to call it a day on this very platform. Hope you learned something. DOS, SDOS. We are not crafted to sack anybody. They themselves doesn't have such power. They were not even drafted neither to take care of Eastern Security Network as they made you to believe. The only person, even Chike Doziono, doesn't know the recruitment of Eastern Security Network. There is no permission of Chike Doziono. The only person that was involved there was Chinasa Nwoshi because he was logistics supplier and the one he was involved, actively involved. I want to tell you people, let me leak secret to you people. In IPOB, there is 2 IPOB, administrative and volunteer. Administrative doesn't know anything in freedom. They don't know how we form our things. In fact, once you take oath, it will even lead you not to review to administrative. Remember that administrative take their own oath. But your own oath will stop you from telling administrative what you people are doing. But administrative can contribute money and give to you people. But you can never tell them the truth of what is happening in volunteer. Because the volunteer is where the secret lies. Sometimes we do make jest of administrative as status. They don't know anything. Or aga meeting. Onwere onye ji information. Onwere onye gere Radio Biafra. iPhone or na amụmụri ọchị. Ka anyị discuss godo ihe akpara na Radio Biafra. Gị nwa na onwe gị soro ha na-discuss ihe akpara na Radio Biafra. Hey, lekwe information Mazi nyere na o nwere ndị agha ekreti gị na-eti ebe ka ndị nke agha eshi biko ha ma na ndị agha na-ekreti nọ n'etiti ha. The same thing that happens to administrative is the same thing that happens to the criminals called SDOS. They don't know anything in the struggle. Forget about how they go about lying to themselves. Some at times when I listen to them talk, they talk empty. Like the one of their supporter, nke Ikegwuru, unakpo oke ugwu, nke unakpo ihe, their supporter. He talks empty. He doesn't even know the DOS, the SDOS that he is supporting. He doesn't even know what they are made of. He tells you he is supporting SDOS and Nigerian government. That tells you where they are going to. And Udele is now supporting the DOS. Are you aware? Udele is now supporting the DOS. Ikensi Uruago is supporting the DOS. Nnakuna Chimeze is supporting the DOS. Are you not? Ke na ha ahụ ụzọ ọ pụtara na ha anụ ihe. I will stop here. Mbọsị nta abịacha ọnụ n'Owere nchi. In the afternoon program, I have a lot to bring. I could have presented it this very morning, but I didn't meet up. The installation of my Wi-Fi, which was done yesterday, had some problem. I used that yesterday, but later it has some developed problem. I don't know. I don't just know. So they have to come and reactivate it. After the installation, they went and I started using it, and later the connection went off again. So they have to come and reinstall it. In the afternoon program, from me from here, from the Temple of the Gracia. It is bye for now, please.